the only information you need to know for your camping trip. The allure of the great outdoors is something that many people enjoy. To make the most of time spent camping, educate yourself on what you must know. When you invest the time in learning tips and tricks like the ones presented in the following paragraphs, you can make the most out of your next camping trip. Navigation is the key when it comes to camping. It is important to know where you are, and how to get back to civilization if you become lost. Always bring a map of the area, and a compass to help you. You can also use an outdoor GPS that will give you navigation information, as well as additional information such as altitude. Do a jungle breakfast if you are bringing kids. You can tie small food and drink boxes into the trees. When they wake up, they'll have to search the jungle for breakfast. This is a fun way to bring excitement to the morning. Bring a bandana or a large handkerchief with you when you go camping. You can use it as a pot holder, bag holder, or a towel. It is very versatile, so be sure you take one with you every time you go camping. When collecting wood for a campfire, focus on 3 different sizes: the finger size wood, that will catch fire right away, the arm size wood that will keep it going, and the leg size wood that will allow you to keep the fire going for a long time. Getting different sizes of wood helps you to start the fire and keep it going. For those who know what they are doing, camping is a truly great experience. Camping, however, does take a good deal of planning and knowledge to ensure that you have a good time. Keep this advice nearby, and you will be ready for your trip soon. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.